Hey there, Dale Second Trader Boys. If you're on YouTube right now trying to develop the skill of a professional trader, then stick with me for a couple minutes. If you're here trying to find out how do I make money in the markets, how do I get rich quick, this video is not for you. Just click on by, hit that skip button as fast as you possibly can. I want to take you through a textbook transaction today that we executed. This is April 15th on Roku, R-O-K-U, that I posted through the education room with the Trader Boyz, so you can kind of see exactly how this works. If you're here to develop the skill, then this is for you. If you're like 85+% of other individuals that come into the markets trying to get rich quick, trying to make money, then hit the skip button. Okay, this is not yours. This is not for you. This is not the right content for you. Okay, at the Trader Boyz, here we got the Foundations program. Here's the best thing. You can come into the first 3 sessions. I'm so confident you're going to love this program. You come into the first 3 sessions for free. You love the program, you can finish the full 8 sessions. Okay, the first 3 sessions is 9 hours of content. The whole program is 24 hours of content. But you'll have access to the education room through this process. And this was a trade I posted in there just purely for educational purposes as we executed the trade. Phenomenal transaction, textbook transaction. So let's just jump into the system right now and take a look. So here we are in the Foundations education room here with the Trader Boyz. And you can see here this is posted as of today. So let's take a look. You can see the transaction. So this was the original post right here. We're looking at what the setup was. So this is a bull flag formation. So this is your flagpole. Here's your flag. We had the breakout, and then we have this beautiful retracement. So this is the opportunity here where we're coming back to what was once a previous resistance becoming new support to be able to take the trade. So this is on the 4-hour time frame here, coming down to a 15-minute chart. So we're taking a day trade entry for actually a swing trade. We're going to be in this trade for multiple days, 2 to 10 days. Is the trade plan here. So coming through, entry, we're looking above this, we've got this drop, we've got this base here. So we're looking for the break above this hammer candle right here. So this is what we call a gap fill. It gapped up this morning, it's come down, it's filled that gap. So now with the hammer candle, which represents reversal here, we're now going to have an entry above here. So this is the principles that we teach in the Foundations program. What do you set that? What's order type, and what's the provisions to be able to set your entry point? And same thing here. What do you set your stop loss, and what's the provisions for setting your stop loss, and so on. So that was the setup. Okay, you can see here a little later on, we're on the 4-hour time frame here. Entries way down the bottom here. 381 was the entry point. Okay, so already up at 385. We're coming into a resistance area here. As we progress forward, you see here coming back to 30-minute time frame. This was the resistance here that we see in that 4-hour time frame. So we came up, we had a little bit of a base here, and then we had the breakout. So all the way up to our first target here, T1 at 392.65. We absolutely nailed that to the penny. So the height of this candle was 392.75. So we exited 30% of the transaction here. So you'll see in the documentation here in just a minute where this is. Now, based on our technical stop strategy, we can take our stop losses below our entry here, below the hammer candle here, and this is a new demand zone. So this is a rally-based rally. So these are all the things you're going to learn inside the Foundations program. Stop comes up underneath the candle's low there, minus 10% of daily ATR. So it's a rule-based process that's proven to consistently work time after time. That does not mean you're going to have losing transactions. I guarantee you one thing for sure in trading, you'll have losing transactions, but you'll see a lot less losing transactions, and we're going to control and minimize those losses. So at this point here, our stop loss is above our entry point, and we're already taking 30% of a trade here in profit. So this is how you know that you can time the markets and your targets are set correctly. When the market comes right up to this, turns around, right? You've mastered the skill of timing. So this is the post we put out there in the trading room today. This was a educational transaction just because the setup was absolutely beautiful on this. You can see here, this was a long-term downtrend here, and I was educating the members here on why the targets were set here. Okay, so this is a supply zone. There's a drop, base, drop. There's unfilled institutional order sitting at this price level. So that's why the market came up to this price and just reversed, to the 10 cents in, and then reversed to the penny basically. So that's what we're taking a look at, and you can see here as we go through, this is how the traders are supported with the Trader Boyz as they're going through after their program and receiving constant education on how to enter these markets correctly. So if you like what you saw there and the process, okay, we're looking at where the entry is, where the stop goes, where the targets are set, and you can see we can time the markets. If you want to learn how to trade with the institutions, time the markets with a high degree of probability, know in advance when the market's going to go or change directions, then register for the Foundations program. Come check it out and see if this is something for you. Now, here's something I'll tell you. Trading is simple. This process is very simple, but it is not easy. Trading to develop a skill is a journey, and it takes time to develop. So if you're willing to put that time in, then this program is for you. Get registered, and I can't wait to work with you.